Well, in this week's Weather-Wise segment, what we're going to be talking about is how the jet streams influence our weather here on the Delmarva Peninsula and, of course, across the United States. Now, we have two different jet streams. It's the subtropical jet. That's the one that sits to the south, a bit closer to the equator. It has warmer air and moves a little bit slower. Further to the north, though, we have the polar jet, and, of course, that does mean polar, some cooler air, and it does move a little bit faster as it's closer to the poles. So as we go through the summer months, we do have that subtropical jet move more further to the north, and that steers our weather patterns as it moves through the area. It also allows for some warm, moist air to slide in from the Gulf, and that's when we see those summer thunderstorms and showers. But as we head towards the winter months, the polar jet dips down from the north. That's going to be our driving factor for the next few months. It brings in the cooler air and also drives those systems. Now, the polar jet does move a little bit faster, so usually during the wintertime we'll see our system sliding through a bit quicker, and of course that also potentially brings in some snow. So where are we right now? Well, we're right in the middle of those two kind of seasons, so we can get that influence from the subtropical jet, hence the 80s that we saw last Friday, but then the polar jet dips down this weekend, so that's why we're getting into the 50s. So kind of a mix as we head through the fall season, but it will be cooler as we head through the rest of the winter.